Imagine sitting under the stars, where every twinkle feels like a secret waiting to be told. Tonight's story is about Mangita and Larina, two friends whose bond was stronger than fear itself. Their tale will remind you that true magic lives not in treasures, but in the heart. Mangita and Larina lived in a peaceful village surrounded by golden fields and whispering forests. One evening, while gathering flowers, they followed a strange, shimmering light into the woods. There, they found a glowing spring and a mysterious box. When Larina opened it, a voice spoke. "Darkness threatens this land. Only the brave and kind can restore the light. Will you accept?" Without hesitation, Larina said yes. Mangita, though fearful, agreed. Instantly, they were carried into a magical realm where skies shimmered in colors they had never seen. Creatures of wonder guided them, but shadows tried to test their hearts with fear. Mangita's calm wisdom and Larina's courage carried them forward, hand in hand. At last, they reached the Fortress of Silence, where a fallen guardian had lost hope and wrapped the world in darkness. Larina's fiery words could not break through, but Mangita's gentle reminder that light still exists in kindness, laughter, and friendship softened the guardian's heart. Together, they offered their own hope, and the darkness melted away. When they returned home, no time had passed, yet everything inside them had changed. They looked at each other and knew the truth. The greatest magic is not found in enchanted springs or shining treasures, but in the love and courage we share. And as you listen to their story, remember, your light, no matter how small, has the power to brighten even the darkest night.